IRS notices when to get professional help. Max Drew, certified public accountant here to talk with you about IRS notices and when to get professional help. Is it a good idea to take on the IRS notices and contact the IRS alone? Effective representation in these matters starts with being able to understand and respond to the IRS notices in a timely manner and knowing your rights. Perhaps if you're dealing with small amount of penalties, taxes, and interest, it might make sense to work directly with the IRS if you do not contest the amount owed. However, I encourage you to go ahead and schedule a free consultation for a brief review of your notice and some recommendations on how you might do things differently. As a rule of thumb, I will recommend services for you related to these types of issues if you need professional preparation services to respond to the IRS, or you owe more than you can reasonably pay. Perhaps the notice is threatening legal action such as a lien, bank levy, or wage garnishment. Also, if you have tried dealing with the IRS and they are prolonging the process. And of course, if you are facing a situation which could be criminal if incorrectly responded to, accordingly, I may also refer you to an attorney if appropriate. I used to work as a state tax collector, and the procedures followed by the state closely mirror those of the IRS. I am familiar with tax preparation and the procedures and tactics that can be employed to resolve your IRS issues and stop them from intimidating you with notices which are difficult to understand and respond to on your own. I highly recommend that you consider engaging a tax professional if you disagree with the IRS determination, or do not fully understand the notice, or you disagree with the amount or may be unable to pay in full immediately. Please start with a free consultation, and I'm happy to assist you in a no-pressure way with a suggestion on how to best move forward in dealing with the IRS. When you get an IRS notice, don't be intimidated and don't handle it yourself if you need to dispute the notice or don't understand it. A qualified CPA may be able to help you to amend your return and reduce your tax liability, request relief of penalty, get a payment plan that works, prevent legal actions being taken against you, bargain with the IRS to have all or some of your tax liability removed or forgiven through a compromise. Please avoid making costly mistakes by consulting a qualified CPA. My goal is to prepare your taxes in a way that keeps as much money in your pockets as possible at the end of the year.